If you're aiming for abs in 2 weeks, here's the real talk. Visible abs depend on two main things. 1. Low body fat, mostly comes from diet. 2. Core muscle tone, comes from workouts. If you're already lean, close to 12 to 15% body fat for men, 18 to 22% for women, then yes, abs can start showing in 2 weeks with the right push. Here's what to focus on. 1. Clean diet, most important. Cut out sugar, junk food, fried food. Eat high-protein chicken, eggs, tofu, lentils. Lots of water. Veggies plus good carbs like oatmeal, quinoa, brown life. Stay in a calorie deficit, burn more than you eat. 2. Core workouts, daily or every other day. Do 2 to 3 sets of plank, 1 minute. Bicycle crunches, 20 reps. Leg raises, 15 reps. Russian twists, 20 reps. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. 3. Cardio, burns fat. 20 to 30 minutes daily. Brisk walking, jogging, jump rope, HIIT. 4. Sleep and consistency. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Stay consistent every day for 2 weeks. Subscribe for more amazing tips.